Good morning, my friends. Welcome back. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. If you find any of these job leads helpful, please like and share with your friends and family members so we can all be working from home, living our best, healthy, happy lives. But with that being said, we are going to keep today's video very short. So let's just dive on in. Today's job lead is from a company called Bonus.ly, so I'm going to call it Bonusly. The web address is bonus.ly. But they are a company that helps other companies with their employee retention by providing software solutions that help with employee engagement and satisfaction. It says that they are used by some big companies like Hulu, Chobani, ZipRecruiter, SurveyMonkey. So they are more of a startup company. And one thing I want to quickly note, your bigger, well-known companies that are already established in the world, like your Walmarts and your Amazons and your Best Buys, they are going to pay a normal living wage, like $15 to $18 an hour, $40,000 to $60,000 a year kind of thing, because they've already made it and they feel like employees need them. They are more of a corporate mindset of people come a dime a dozen. If you don't want to work here, someone else will. They've already established themselves. Startup companies need people to come in and help them make a name for themselves and help them on their journey to become one of those solidified companies. And so they pay for that. So startup companies are always generally going to pay more money than your bigger companies will. So there's always risk and reward with that. But with that being said, Bonusly is hiring a revenue operations specialist. This is US only. They are looking for someone to help remove friction from their entire sales process, enforce the rules of the engagement process. They need someone to help establish incentive and compensation structures for their business, and someone to evaluate efficiencies to make recommendations and process improvements. They are looking for someone who has a strong contextual awareness, the ability to align risk profile of an organization. They want someone who has a background in data analysis, someone who likes building processes and eliminating inefficiencies. So they're really looking for someone to come in and look at their work processes and kind of clean them up, make them run better. And so they would like someone who has experience in SaaS and familiar with CRM tools. Now, the salary for this position is $70,000 to $95,000 a year, and they offer quite a few benefits. And it does say that they furnish all employees with the equipment that they need to work remotely. So all equipment is provided for you. That is also one of the benefits of working for Bonusly. Now, if process improvement is not your thing, they have an entire career page with their current job openings, and they do have quite a few openings in the customer success and customer support realm too. So I will leave their careers page linked down below. Just quickly looking at a customer implementation specialist, this job also pays $70,000 to $90,000 a year. So again, as a startup company, they are willing to pay for the right eager person to come in and help them grow their business. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.